Welcome to my channel. I'm Shadow Scout Swede. Welcome to my new supporters. And welcome to my returning supporters. Today I want to show you a plant, a useful plant. But it is actually a weed. You can find it in your garden. And this is the plant. This is plantain. You can pick this in your garden. You clean this up well, very well, and you can crush these leaves and you put these crushed leaves on your wound and you leave it there for 24 hours. And you have probably to change it after 24 hours. The other use for this one is you make a tea on the leaves. And if you have cough, you drink this tea slowly, and that will help you get rid of it. I have never tried this out, but I have to test it sometimes later. So this is a nice little plant. I have to jump off now. So, thanks for watching and thanks for your support. And don't forget to hit that bell to get notified when I upload new videos. And if you want to make a donation, you can do that on my PayPal account. Shadow Scout Swede, out.